I'm back with more practice pad videos, and today I have the Vic Firth Heavy Hitter stock pad with the rim. I realize I've been a little slack with practice pad videos, and I've had a lot of requests for more pad videos, and specifically for this pad video, so I am happy to be back with it, and I plan to do more. And I apologize, I hate it when people say this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Click the subscribe, that way you'll be around for the rest of the pad videos that are coming, and I hate this one too, click the notification bell, that way when more pad videos come, you'll get notification that they are coming. This is the Vic Firth stock heavy hitter pad. There's also the Slimpad, which is coming. I don't have it yet, and I will do a comparison between the two of them when I get them. Right now it's out of stock, so again, stick around, that way when it comes, you'll be here for it. I had seen the heavy hitter pads in the past, and while they looked like nice pads, they looked like a lot of other pads that I had, kind of like real feels with a rubberized playing surface and a base, and there was just not a lot of unique stuff to them. And then this one came out and they added a rim. And again, I had a lot of requests and I said, yes, that definitely makes this pad more unique. And the rim has some unique features to it as well. And so I said, I would love to do a video on that. And I chatted with Vic Firth. And this pad was made in collaboration with Chris Romanowski and Bill Bachman. I chatted with Chris a little bit, and I'm happy to be here with a video on this pad. Going over the basics of this pad, the pad is $99.99. Comes in a box like this. The other interesting thing about this pad is that it comes with the silicone playing surface, and they also include a laminate, which I'm going to put on here for the first time. I've not tried it yet. The silicone playing surface is 3/16 inch thick, and if you are familiar with the original Heavy Hitter series pads, they had reformulated the silicone some. This is back to the original silicone formulation, so you'll be familiar with the feel. This one has a little bit thicker playing surface compared to the Slimpad, 3/16 on this versus 1/8 inch on that, and the Slimpad is going to give a little bit more rebound, and I'm very curious to try it when it comes. It has the rim, which I'll talk about in a minute. It has a base, which is kind of purplish. I'm going to call it even eggplant to be more fancy. And on the bottom, it has a rubberized surface that is going to keep it from moving around if you're putting it on a flat surface. The pad is 13 inches across, the playing surface is about 10 inches, and this will therefore sit perfectly on the top of a marching snare if you were practicing and wanted to practice for a bit, just a little bit quieter and not have the full volume of the drum. Now, one of the big claims to fame of this pad is that it has a rim, and this rim has several advantages over some of the other pads with rims because the rim on this is made of a rubberized plastic. So one, it's not going to chew up your sticks like some of those metal rim pads do. And two, because of the material of the rim, when you do shots on this, they are not going to be as loud as some of those pads with the metal rims. So you're not going to annoy everyone in your house. The volume of the shots with the rim is commensurate to the volume of the pad itself. This pad has two different playing surface options. There's the silicone surface, and then you can add the Myar Laminate, which I'm going to do here for the first time. The silicone surface is definitely going to be quieter. Here's another thing, side note. People always say, well, not always, but in my videos, people have said, hey, you should give drumming lessons, which I don't think I'm overly qualified to do at this point, but here's my lesson for all of you, especially on the newer end of things. This is called the Heavy Hitter pad. My tip is hit the drum. Don't play on top of the drum, play into the drum. Right, so don't just play lightly on the drum, hit the drum, and even with your taps. Right, okay, so there's my drumming lesson. And that is the silicone surface. Next option is the Myar Laminate. Let's put this on for the first time here. Peel off the backing. And this leaves a sticky surface here, and we're going to put this right down onto here. And push it down on there. And I think once this is on here, it's pretty much on there. Could you take it off? You probably could. Yeah, it peels off. How it will go with repeated on and off, I don't know, but you can take it off if you're so inclined. The laminate is going to have a more articulate sound to it compared to the silicone. It's not a significantly different sound, but it is a little bit more articulate. Does it feel different with the rebound? Yes, it does a little bit. It doesn't make the pad significantly louder. As far as the feel and the rebound on this, the analogy that I've seen, I think Bill Bachman say, is that this stock pad is like tenor drum 2, whereas the Slimpad is more like a marching snare. So if you're looking for something with just a little bit more softness, maybe you're a tenor player or you are a concert snare player, this one might be a little bit better for you. If you're looking to build your chops a little bit more, the stock pad might be a little better for you. But if you want something a little bit higher tension, more marching snare feel, you might look into the Slimpad. Some closing thoughts on this stock pad. This pad does have a softer feel, but that is not a design detriment, that's a design feature, and you're buying this pad knowing that you're getting a softer feel. If you want the harder feel, you get the Slimpad. But this pad, even if you're a marching snare drummer, is still useful. Because it has a softer feel, it's going to build your chops a little bit more. But maybe you're not a marching snare drummer, maybe you're a concert percussionist, and the softer feel is perfect for concert drums. Maybe you're a tenor drummer, and they say this is similar to tenor drum 2. And although Vic Firth does have a tenor pad with all the different drums, that is not exactly very portable, and the size and weight of this one for putting in your bag and taking to practice is perfect. The design with the laminate and the rim is also really nice. The laminate does not create a night and day difference in sound or feel, but adds some nice articulation. And at low volume, even the diddles. And the rim is both softer on your sticks and softer on everyone else in the house. It's not going to annoy them. The bottom above is nice with that rubberized finish for putting on some hard flat surfaces. So overall, really nice pad with this Vic Firth stock pad. I'm looking forward to checking out the Slimpad. I'll put some links to some other drumming videos over here. I appreciate you watching this one. I do intend to be back with more drumming videos now, so stick around for those. Watch these, and I will catch you in the next drumming video.